Hello beautiful people. This tutorial is on how to teach you on how to fix your eyelets to your dresses instead of you going to the market to fix it. You can do that yourself, and the tools I have here is the eyelets machine. This machine, you can use it for different purposes like beading and all that, but today's tutorial is on how to use it to fix your eyelets. Now the eyelet I have there, I have the silver and I have the gold, and they are of different sizes. So when you buy them, they always give you the cover. Now this one is the gold one, and the gold one is bigger than that silver one. Another important tool, guys, is your soldering iron. Yes, I think it's like 1,500 or 2,000 naira in the market. You can see it is plugged already, so you have to plug it because it needs to get hot for you to be able to use it. And this soldering iron is very important because it makes your hole smooth. Then another one for you to buy is your eyelet dies. Most times when you buy this machine, it doesn't come with the dies, so you have to get the eyelet dies. Now they also come in different sizes. For that gold one I'm touching, that is the size of 24, so it comes with the dies separate. This other silver one is smaller. They also have the dies also for it. So whatever eyelet you are using, make sure it is the size of the dies you buy. So the upper one and the down one is what they will sell for you. I think I bought mine for 5,000 naira, just that dies alone. Now I'm going to be dropping this soldering iron. It's hot already, so let's work on the fabric we are going to put the eyelet on. Now this is the Ankara fabric I'm going to be working on. Yes, so you have to turn it to the good side of the fabric. So this is me just trying to turn it. After turning it, guys, now I'm just trying to measure the length of how I'm going to put in the eyelet. So from the top part there, you measure ½ inch. Just watch what I do, guys. I'm just trying to measure ½ inch. So after measuring the ½ inch, so on that ½ inch, and I'm just trying to show you that there are boning inside that place. So in between the boning is where you're going to put the eyelets. We already know how to insert boning on our dresses. Yes, so if you don't know how to do that, you can watch on my channel for tutorials on how to do that. Now that is me creating the first hole. You can see the soldering iron is hot already. So you take your eyelet, you place it like that, then you turn it to the other side. After turning it, you take your machine and you put it inside. Because it is the actual size, it's just going to fit in. Then you now take the eyelet cover, so you place the cover on it. Then you're going to use your hand to press it down. Now the first one is ready. We are done with the first one, so you can see how neat it is. Okay, so we'll be doing the second step. Now the second step, if you have enough eyelets to work with, you can do 1 inch in between. If you don't have enough, you can do 1½ inch in between, but I'll be using 1 inch. So from that point like that, I'm going to be marking 1 inch down. After marking it, then I'll take my soldering iron and also try and create the hole. You can see the way I'm creating that hole. Now I'm just trying to go around it for me to have enough size. Yes, then I'll now take my eyelets, you put it inside this way, you turn it to the back side, then you take your machine and you insert it. Then you take the eyelet cover and you put it on it, and you just press it down. So guys, we're done fixing the second one. The next one now is the third one. So you're also still going to take your tape and you measure 1 inch from that point. You mark the 1 inch. You take your soldering iron and you puncture. You create a hole big enough to accommodate your eyelet size. The sizes depend on the hole you're going to create. So you're going to take your eyelet, you insert it in properly. You place it on the machine like that. Then you put the cover and you heat it stronger. So soulmates, we are done fixing the third one. So the next one is the fourth one. So you measure your 1 inch also. Then you create a hole. Now I'm trying to be fast about it. I believe from the first to the fourth one, you already know how to do that. So guys, you just have to get these tools for yourself instead of you going to the market all the time and you're doing it on your per one. If you calculate 7 on both sides, that's like 1,004. So soulmates, we're done fixing the first size. You can see it. You can see how neat and clean it is. So the next one is the second side, because you have to do it on both sides. So you remember we came down, we indicate ½ inch from the first time, from the first one we did. So you do the same thing. You're going to create a hole in between your two boning channel that you have there. Yes, when you create the hole, you're going to put in your eyelet. Then you turn it and put it on the machine. I'm just trying to show you all this process because we did the first side. I have to show you how to do the second one, but I'm going to be fast about this one. So that's the first one. Then you go down by 1 inch for the second one. You put your hole. Sometimes you can even choose to create your boning channel very close to the tip. Mind there's a space there. You can try to create it very close. So that's the second one, guys. Then you also heat it. So the third one. So after this third one, yes, I'm trying to be fast about it now. I believe you already know how to do this from the first one. So guys, we are almost done with this tutorial. It is very easy and simple. So soulmates, that is it. We are done with the two sides. You can see that it is very beautiful and it's very neat. Like, it is so neat. They are not rough edges. So soulmates, at this point, kindly like this video and share it. Bye.